Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Beautiful car, guys. This is the original color combination, factory cranberry red with the factory red vinyl interior. Beautiful car, man. This car has a ton of options. It's a complete documented frame off restoration. We do have all the receipts for the resto on it. It's got a professionally built 454 underneath the hood. It's got air. It's got four-wheel disc brakes. It's got the tach and gauges. It's got the flapper hood, and it's beautiful, man. Just a great car. Runs and drives excellent, plenty of power. This thing absolutely gets with the program, and just a nice car. Again, that's the original color combo. Beautiful paint on the car. A couple little things that I've ordered for the car. This bumper, you're going to see it's got some spots on the bumper. I ordered a brand new one from them. I just didn't want to wait for it. We got sun and we don't have snow, which we've been battling all winter long here, so I just went ahead and shoot it. Again, it's gonna have a new front bumper on it, so that stuff will be gone. Gorgeous paint on the car, laser straight body. Other than a couple little touch-up marks, I didn't see really much in the paint. It's a very nice car. You can see the trim around the windows is in great shape. New glass. Great car. And again, we have all the receipts for the restoration. This guy did a great job keeping track of that. It looks like he started on the car in about, early 2000s, 2001, somewhere in there, and completed the car about 04. That's when I have conversations with some of you guys that think restorations take weeks. They don't, guys. They take years. That's what a lot of people don't understand about these cars. It takes a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of energy to make these cars look like this. Look how nice that car is down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TA is all the way around it. It's got the SS rallies. I think it's got the deepers on the rear. Sorry guys, that's just from the exhaust. Little touch-up mark there. Love this car, man. When Jay fires this thing up, this thing sounds mean. Four-wheel disc brakes. It's got a stock kit on the front. It's got Willwoods on the rear. Slick paint. Again, car runs and drives excellent. So we got all the receipts for it too. This is American Motors built 454. It's got an 800 CFM Edelbrock on it with a matched Edelbrock air gap aluminum intake on it. It has a Corvette oval port high performance heads on it. We've got the cam card. It's got roller rockers in it. So like I say, we've got the receipts for the when they built the motor. You can see the chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers, power steering. It's got all the March aluminum pulleys. It's got a set of big tube ceramic headers, or not ceramic headers, they're just hooker super comp headers. They have put the cam, what do you call it, the vacuum canister on it, so you don't lose brake pedal at idle. That's it. It stores the vacuum. Anybody, you can ask anybody who's got experience with that. If you don't put it, when you got a car with a big cam in it, if you don't put one of those canisters in there, when you come to the light, your pedal wants to get stiff or hard. It's got factory air. Air does work. It's got all the flapper hood. That stuff works underneath the hood here. 400 turbohydramatic trans with a B&M Hole Shot converter. Great car. I bought a bunch of stuff this last couple of weeks. I've been traveling a little bit and bought some really nice stuff. Try to get this stuff on the site as fast as I can. Sometimes right now Mother Nature is the biggest culprit. And then to be honest with you, a lot of guys come up and buy them before I can even get them advertised. All that trim is nice. Definitely replaced all of this stuff. All new door rubbers. Love the red on red. It's got a complete custom sound system in it. He's got the custom kick pads with the speakers. Bucket seats counts. This is the other thing. I ordered a new console cover for it. Obviously somebody's leaned on that and broke it. It's got an Ididit tilt column with a sports steering wheel. Love this red on red. Factory tach and gauge car. It's got 62,000 original miles on the odometer. Again, it's actually got a rear defog. I don't know if that works. I have to have Jay check that. He's got some custom gauges underneath as well. 2.5-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got 12-bolt rear end. It's a 373 posi. It's got custom aluminum cover, rear sway bar. I'm telling you, man, as you walk around this car is just nice. It's all spackle painted in the trunk. This is everything. I mean, this guy, it's got all the manuals, shop manuals, and you can see, I mean, he logged everything. Pretty darn cool. Here's your custom sound system in there. Factory jack with the spare. Did you check that rear defog? Does it work? Did you flip it on? We'll check it, yeah. Again, you can see how nice that car is underneath. Rock solid body. Electric fuel pump. When I say it's got the custom kick panels in it with the speakers, that's what I mean right there. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. You can see those seats are all new. Great car, man. Again, got a new one of these coming. Leroy's just ordered it. New door handles, new mirrors. You'll see, we'll show you the Jay when Jay turns the key here, that flapper will shut. Or we might have to see it. There you go. See, it's all functional. This thing runs too, guys. This thing gets with the program. This is one of those cars, man, we wish we could run it down the road for you and turn the tires over a little bit. It works. Rear defog works, guys. There you go. See the tach working. Looks like all your gauges working in there, Jay. Yep, fuel gauge works. Stuff under there working. Yep. Looks like it's all working. Backup lights work too. Car's snappy too, man. Gets its R's quick. Radio works, blower motor works, guys. The fit and finish is excellent on this car. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another way to keep in touch with us is through Facebook. Or as always, pick up the phone, give my guys a call, 248-620-3355. Great car right there. Have a great day, guys.